creating some squared. We're going to do distributive property again, and this time there's a negative out front. So when we multiply through, we have to remember our negative positive rule. So a negative times a positive is a negative, and a negative, whoops, a negative, that does not look like a negative. Let's start over again. A negative times a negative is a positive. So keep that in mind. When you're multiplying, these things are true. So out here, I'm going to multiply that negative 4 by each thing inside the parentheses. So negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. So my answer is negative 4x minus 20. I can't combine these because I can't combine x's with numbers. Okay, over here we have a negative 2 times 3, which gets us a negative 6. But then we have a negative 2 times a negative x, and remember, a negative times a negative is a positive, so it changes to a positive, so I have a positive 2x. And that's my answer there. Over here, we have a negative 5 times 3x, which is negative 15x, and a negative 5 times a negative 7 is a positive, because it's a negative times a negative is a positive, and 5 times 7 is 35. So our answer is negative 15 plus 35. And over here, negative 3 times 10 is negative 30. Negative 3 times negative 9 is a positive, because a negative times a negative. 3 times 9 is 27x, because we have the x. And that's our answer. So make sure you're careful with your signs when there's a negative outside that parenthesis. M squared, side and out.